The benchmark indices ended lower on January 2nd, with Nifty settling the day around 21,650 amid selling across the sectors barring pharma and metal names. At the day's close on December 2nd, the Sensex was down 379.46 points, or 0.53% at 71,892.48, and the Nifty was down 76.10 points, or 0.35% at 21,665.80. Top losers on the Nifty were Eicher Motors, M&M, Ultratech Cement, L&T, and Kotak Mahindra Bank, while gainers were Coal India, Adani Ports, Sun Pharma, Divi's Labs and Cipla. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of VST Industries Limited soared 20% to 4,060 rupees and were locked in the upper circuit, following a report that 4% equity stake in the company was sold in a block deal. Ace investor and trader Radhakishan Damani has a 25% stake in the cigarette maker, through his investment arm Bright Star Investments. Derive Trading and Resorts Private Limited, where Damani is a director, also has 4.76% in the company. Shares of ALOK Industries soared 20% and was locked in its upper circuit at 25.80 rupees, also its highest level in 52 weeks, on January 2nd after Reliance Industries Limited subscribed to non-convertible redeemable preferential shares worth 3,300 rupees crore. The preferential shares were issued at a dividend rate of 9% on a private placement basis to RIL. Moreover, the preferential shares will also be redeemable at par any time, within a period not more than 20 years from the date of allotment. Telecom services provider Vodafone Idea on January 2nd denied it was in talks with Elon Musk promoted Starlink to manage its services in India. We would like to submit that the company is not in any such discussion with the named party, said Vodafone Idea in an exchange filing. Following the clarification, the stock, which had run up significantly on the rumor, plunged over 5% on the BSE on January 2nd. In the last 6 months, the stock has rallied 118%. Shares of BAJEL projects fell nearly 5% during early trade on January 2nd, a day after Enam AMC sold stake in the company. At midday, the stock was locked in the lower circuit at 125.25 rupees. According to bulk deal data, Enam AMC sold 714 shares of BAJEL projects at a price of 126.32 rupees per share, 0.63%. BAJEL Projects, a demerged entity of Bajaj Electricals, was listed on both exchanges on December 19. Shares of Tata Motors extended their uptrend to the 5th straight session, and rose 1.5% to hit a fresh lifetime high of 804 rupees on January 2nd. This was after the carmaker reported a 5% on-year rise in total sales in December. While sales of commercial vehicles were up 1% on-year to 34,180 units, those of passenger vehicles jumped 8% to 43,675 units in the months. For the October-December quarter, total domestic sales were up 3% year-on-year. The year-on-year growth trend witnessed during past quarters paused in Q3 financial year 2024 on account of the higher base effect, impact of elections held across 5 states, and the post-festive season slowdown in rural consumption, Girish Wagh, Executive Director of Tata Motors, stated in an exchange filing. ALOK Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 25.80 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 93.697 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 22.45, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.82. VST Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 4,060.10 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 103.833 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 3,514.07, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 88.11. Delta Manufacturing Limited in daily time frame is trading around 113.60 points with a change of 19.96% and is trading with a net volume of around 22.125 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 147.44, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 68.6. For the stock recommendation we have, Granules India looks good and can be bought at 421 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 203 rupees and a target of 435 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.